Why accept exception doesn't catch SystemExit. ICE instance, SystemExit, 1, exception, evals to true, but this snippet prints caught by bear except SystemExit, 1. My testing environment is Python 2.6.
Your error is in the very first sentence of your question. SystemExit is not a subclass of exception.
SystemExit derives from base exception directly rather than from exception. Exception is the parent, all built-in, non-system exiting exceptions. SystemExit is a system exiting exception, by definition, and therefore doesn't derive from exception. In your example, if you used base exception, it would work as per your original assumptions.
ICE instance, SystemExit, 1, exception, is false on Python 2.6. Exception hierarchy in this version of Python was changed since Python 2.4, e.g. keyboard interrupt is not subclass of exception anymore. See more info, this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.